Idolobha iGoli njengamanje lixwayisa abantu ukuthi baqongobele amanzi njengoba kuzoqala uhlelo lokulungisa ingqalasizinda yalo. Kodwa-ke lithi asikho isidingo sokutatazela njengoba kuzobekwa amathangi amanzi ey'ndaweni ezehlukene.
I-Rand Water izoqala umsebenzi wokulungiswa kweziphehlimanzi kusukela ngomhla ka-3 June kuze kube umhla ka-21 July 2025. Ngomhla ka-3 June kuzoqala izindawo zase-Sandton, South Hills, Linksfield, Alexander Park kanye nase-Midrand. Ngomhla ka-30 June kuzolandela izindawo zase-Randburg, Roodepoort, Lenasia, Soweto, Crosby, Brixton, Herstal, Crown Gardens, Naturena kanye nase-Johannesburg CBD.
Izakhamuzi zase-Coronationville zithi akukho ukuzilungiselela okungako okumele zikwenze njengoba sekuphele iminyaka emihlanu zingenawo amanzi.
The upcoming maintenance is nothing new to us. We've been having water problems for the past 5 years. There's no need for us to prepare. We've been going through it for 5 years. If there is anyone out there, someone who can listen to us as a community in Coronation, please help this community.
Idolobha lithi uma seqediwe ukulungisa kungenzeka kuthathe amanye futhi amahora ngaphambi kokuthi amanzi abuye ngokuphelele.